Stop losing traffic to simple Wix mistakes. Fix them fast, starting now. In 60 seconds, I'll show 3 SEO killers and exactly how to fix them. Mistake 1. Missing page titles and meta descriptions across your site. Add unique keywords to every title and meta description and keep them concise. Mistake 2. Messy URL and slug structures are confusing search engines. Use short, readable slugs and include your primary keyword just once. Mistake 3. Slow images and missing alt text crush user experience. Compress images, enable lazy load, and write descriptive alt text for accessibility. Quick wins: update titles, clean slugs, optimize images, and republish pages. These fixes can recover traffic in weeks, not months, if you act fast. Want a checklist? We've packaged every step into a free, printable SEO checklist. Download the Wix SEO checklist now, link below. Start fixing today and track results.